Okay guys, this is a new video. Okay, we everybody know Ratchet and Clank 1. Yeah, Ratchet and Clank 2. Going Commando. Ratchet and Clank 3. Up Your Arsenal. UIA. Okay, Ratchet Gladiator. Deadlock. Ratchet and Clank Size Matters. Ratchet and Clank Tools of Destruction. Secret Agent Clank. But 1 week ago I bought Ratchet and Clank Quest for Booty for PS3. Yeah, in this video I want to show you the unboxing of it. I open it now. Finally. Hold on. Okay. Yeah. And now the moment of truth. Oh. Awesome. Quest for Booty. Oh man, I can't wait until I'll start this game. New page. So now guys, I have got the complete Ratchet and Clank saga.